Yo, you already know how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to give it to you. You already know I'm going to give you the hottest classified documentations. Currently right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm kind of scared right now. I'm kind of nervous right now for my well-being, because I be getting this classified documentations. And I have the story right here. I got to share it for you. Man caught going 111 miles per hour and told the police that he doing that because the other driver was trying him. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Hit my Cash App. Just hit my Cash App because this is amazing. I gotta keep my seatbelt on. What about the children? Oh, and then I have this other story right here. G. Herbo bonds out of jail for in Chicago, Illinois, for having a concealed weapon. Oh, you know in Chicago is always gunslingers and